Presenting Acer Aspire 3 Intel Core i3 11th generation 15.6 inches Full HD laptop in silver. It comes in a size of 23.8 into 36.3 into 2 centimeters and weighs 1.7 kgs. The laptop runs on Intel Core i3 111 dual-core processor and is preloaded with Windows 11 Home. It has 8 GB DDR4 RAM upgradable to 12 GB and Intel UHD graphics, and also 256 GB PCIe Gen 3 8 GB per second up to 4 lanes NVMe HDD storage, and supports up to 2 TB 2.5 inches 5400 RPM. It is powered with a lithium-ion battery with a battery life of 9 hours. The laptop has 15.6 inches Full HD Acer ComfyView LED display with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. Enjoy stereo sound with built-in speakers. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is equipped with 3 USB 3.0 ports and an HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, power adapter, user guide, warranty documents. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.